Welcome to Socialindigo. In our busy world, spare time can feel like a rare gift. Let's explore ways to use it meaningfully. Be productive. Use free time to learn something new. Take an online course, learn a language, or watch TED Talks and documentaries. You can also organize your life, declutter a room, create a photo album, or plan your week. Self-improvement like reading, journaling, or practicing mindfulness is another great option. Get creative. Engage in creative hobbies like drawing, painting, writing stories, or trying DIY projects. Cooking, baking, playing an instrument are also fun ways to spend your time. Bonus: you can even turn your hobby into a side hustle. Move your body. Physical activity is important. Go for a walk, try yoga or Pilates, hit the gym, dance, or join a sports league. Even a short 15-minute stretch can make a difference. Connect and explore. Call or video chat with friends and family, host a game night, volunteer, or join a club. Explore your city, try new hobbies, visit new places. Curiosity keeps life exciting. Relax and recharge. Take time to rest. Listen to music or podcasts, watch a movie, take a bath or nap, practice meditation, or spend quiet time in nature. Build for the future. Set goals, update your resume, build a portfolio, start a small business, or learn financial planning. Little actions now can lead to big opportunities later. There's no right way to spend spare time. What matters is how you feel afterward. Ask yourself, do you need rest, fun, growth, or connection? Spend your free time intentionally and make it serve your joy, purpose, and peace.